Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are doing the problems. We are solving the problems of block 15, isn't it, children? Which is Introduction to Data Handling. And in this, we have learned how to sort the things, isn't it, children? So, how to separate the things, sorting the things we have learned, how to organize the things we have learned, how to put the data into the table also we have learned, isn't it, children? So in the last topic, fourth topic, we are going to learn how to use tally marks. Okay, so let's see what are tally marks and how we have to use these tally marks. Okay, so in the question they have given a table in which you have name of the child, name of the children, name of the child, and number of toys they have. Okay, that means if you look at the table, Radhika have one toy, Ishan has five toys, Moha have nine toys, and Gagandeep have three toys. Okay, so these are the number of toys the child have. Now what we have to do, let's see the question here. Show the given data using tally marks. Okay, so the number of name of the child and the number of toys, we have to use tally marks and we have to show it. Let's see how. For that, first you need to draw the same table, but you have to add one more column to it. Okay, name of the children, that is name of the child, number of toys, and one more column here, and that column will be the tally marks. Okay, now Radhika have how many toys? One toy, isn't it, children? So you will draw one line like this in tally mark. So drawing these lines to represent the number of toys for the child is tally marks. Okay, instead of writing 1, 5, 9, 3, 10, we use lines to represent that number. That is nothing but your tally marks. Okay, so one toy, so we have drawn only one line. Now Ishan has five toys, isn't it, children? That means we have to draw five lines. But let's see how we have to draw five lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have drawn four lines. Now we have to draw one more line, isn't it, children? So that to show the fifth line, we will cross out the four lines which we have drawn already, which represents 5. Why we are doing this? Because, for example, next Moa has 9 toys. Isn't it, children? So if you drawn all 9 lines, again you need to count all the lines. Isn't it, children? One continuously 9 lines means you'll get confused. Isn't it, children? Again you have to count all the lines. To avoid that, 5. If there are 5, then we draw 4 lines and we will strike it out with the fifth line, which means there are 5. Okay, next Moa have 9 toys, isn't it, children? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth line we will strike it off, which represents 5. Then we have to draw 9, isn't it? We have drawn already 5. Now 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, if there are 10 toys, that means you will strike off these uh, these lines with the slanting line like this. Okay, which represents 10. Okay, children, so that's how you have to do it. Okay, next Gagandeep have 3 toys, so you have to draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines. Okay, so in this way you have to put the tally marks. After drawing the tally marks, after writing the tally marks, again you might have been asking the questions like, who have least toys? That means less toys. That is Radhika. Radhika have only one toy, isn't it? Who have more toys? 9 toys is the big number here. 1, 5, 9, 3. 9 is the big number and 9 is for Moa. So you'll write Moa. Okay. How many toys does Ishan have? 5 toys. So you have to write Ishan or 5. Who has, how many toys does Ishan have? 5 toys. So you have to write 5 there. Okay. How many toys does Gagandeep have? 3 toys. So you'll write 3. Okay. In that way also you might get questions where you have to read the question and you have to write how many are there. What is that question? According to that you need to answer. Okay. So that is nothing but organizing the data, handling the data information. Okay. So this is the some children. So there are some questions in your daily schedule, children, like who has least toys, who have more toys, how many toys does Radhika have. In that way, write that also in your classwork book. Okay, children. And coming to your homework, children, complete the volume book 2, page number 38, S4, using tally marks. Okay, so with this we have completed with our block, children. So in the next class I'll meet you with the new block, children. See you in the next class. Bye.